Cats are notorious for doing the most unexpected things at the most random moments. Whether it's squeezing into impossibly small boxes or attacking their own reflections, their antics are endlessly entertaining and meme-worthy. Cats have an incredible range of facial expressions, from disdain to surprise, making them perfect subjects for reaction memes and gifs. Grumpy Cat's rise to fame is a prime example of how one iconic face can capture the internet's heart. Their independent, often indifferent attitude sparks both admiration and frustration, making them endlessly fascinating to watch and to try and understand. Cats often mirror human experiences in exaggerated ways. Who hasn't seen a cat roll off a bed and thought, "That's me every Monday morning"? Their clumsy moments and strange habits tap into our own vulnerabilities, making them relatable and funny. From keyboard cat to the nyan cat phenomenon, cats have consistently been at the forefront of viral internet culture. Their videos range from adorable to absurd, appealing to a wide audience and generating millions of views. Cats are meme gold. Whether it's Icon has cheeseburger or Lil Bub, the internet never runs out of ways to immortalize cats through memes. They offer the perfect balance of cuteness and sass, which makes them endlessly memeable. Cats transcend cultural barriers. Their charm isn't bound by language or geography, making them universally loved and appreciated around the globe. In a digital world where trends come and go, cats remain constant as the true rulers of the internet. Their blend of unpredictability, cuteness, and attitude ensures they will always have a special place in the hearts of online users. Long live the feline monarchs!